Good morning, teacher. Identificación. My name is Angelica Escobedo. I am 23 years old. I am from the Lebanon, Tolima. I am a student in University UNA Geotechnical program. I am 3. My hobby is listen to music. I like it at fridge. I like my is pizza. I like to not eat a leather. I am do you LinkedIn ready. I like live with the husband and my family. Yes, my spouse is he is Miguel. He is 27. I am from in Fresno, Tolima. He has it is black. He is technical in the chicken. He has is at the chicken farm. This in the room there is a bit and there is a TV in the wall. There is and the show is organized. There is a book on the wall. In the middle there and there is a door. There is in the kitchen. There is a fridge. There is a stove. There is a machine. There is some dishes. There is a fence phone. And there is some pots. There are windows. And there are doors. Thank you very much, teacher.